Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
So today our presentation about my last project is portfolio. My portfolio, my project in then Border School. So the first there is my CV, there is my name and email, and there is my contact. If you contact me, there's my WhatsApp number and this level of content I want to tell you. The first is curriculum vitae, and then there is my game project, and then my podcast project, and there is IoT project, and next the project in FPL there is multimedia project, there is Android project, English project, Dina project, and last there is achievement and my experience in here. First, I will tell you about my experience in Indian teaching. There is for preschool. I teaching because there is SMPN for Tangerang. There is Hanif and there is and there is my real competition. There is two. First there is Salim Alawi, and last is Al Azhar 8. There is if you want to contact me, there is my WhatsApp number and my email. Next we go to my first project, that's game project. Here there is two application. First is Scratch and second there is Wilmo. So this is my first project in here. It's pretty fruit. I made in Scratch. The project is so simple. You play with ball and you must catch the fruit like banana and apple. And here, if you get 10 points, you will win. And if you get the bomb, you will lose due to main menu. And then next there is other game. This is my second project I made in grade. In here there is two character. There is Bill and Nadia. This game is so simple. There's so many editors before you sleep until you wake up. You just slide and there is so many hadis in this game. And then there is Take Me Out. This game is very fun. This I made after game Ada. So you play with packet and last there is two level. In the first level you must get 20 diamond, and then the door will open. Then if you go to next level, there is matematika like 20 plus 20, and if you get correct A, the door will open and you will win. It is three quests, three gift. And then to next project that block breaker. This game is very simple. You must hit the block up with the ball, and if the ball go to down, you will lose. And and if you get the block, second block, you will win. Just like that. And then there is my Wheelbox. Wheelbox project is a jumping cube. Is the game is two dimension and you just jump until you win with the ball. Then go to my website project. This I using WordPress and Google Sites. The first is my personal website. This website is for online project like project IT, Bina, and English, and my certificate I put in my personal website. This I made with WordPress in school grade. And then I make in Google site is school website. This I make my elementary school. And then last is there is my website most. In my website most there is information about most. And then I make in Google site because Google site is easy for my website. Then next go to IoT project. In IoT project, I use Microbit for the project. The first is there is water frame. This I make in Microbit so that there is Microbit if you touch water, there is will be sensor will be turn on, and if you not in the water, the sensor will be turn off. And there is another Microbit. This about temperature. There is the code too. I make in Microbit. And then project is my first project in Microbit. So there is the main code, you can see, and there is like scratch. And then is smart house. This I make with the group. So there is I make in Visual Studio. So there is a house and there is a sensor. If we turn on the fire, the door will be open. And there is I make with my friend. And then last is my website with Visual Studio. This the simple project. There is dashboard smartphone, and there is about and portfolio in that website. The next is multimedia project. This I make with Figma and Canva. The first I make UI design. The first project in 8th grade about Al-Quran. There is a menu, there is Al-Quran, Azan, Kiblat, and Surat. Next I make a poster design about drink. Here I make tarik boba in Figma. And then make a 3D design about room. This I make in 3D. Next is envelope design. This I make in Ramadan in Figma about testing in Ramadan. And then illustration in Figma. This project is very simple. You just search in Pinterest and you make illustration in Figma. And visual merchandise. This is about t-shirt I designing. Then this is Android project kedua. The first is I make a name card in kedua. This is my name and my dream work. And then about radio online, this project you can hear about Quran Surat Al-Alaq. And then talk to me, you can talk, and there is a text in application. Last is calculator, the hard project about you can, there's so many like triangle, curve, square, and circle. And by my edge, you can about your edge. Next is English project. The first is I make short movie about painter with my friend in 8th grade. And then about study and project plan in my dream is about presentation. And then Rasulullah biography, I tell about Rasulullah until Rasulullah died. And then about English argument, is I make a group about argument in English. And then last is last project about presentation like study project plan. English dinner project, I make mind mapping in Canva about jenazah. And then poster about my parents. And then about Rasulullah in Canva too. And then there is azan. This project in 8th grade we must azan. And then Tasin project we read about Tasin until Tablighatul Ikram until Fatihah. Then my achievement in here, I get HTML, introduce to HTML, and then memorize 100 hadis and basic tools in Canva with Bisa AI, and then get winner futsal in Awafi, and then futsal in Al Azhar in Bekasi. Then my experience is first is Edures in 8th grade. He go to Tertua in Jakarta. Then LKS we training program in IDN in MPLS. And then teaching we teaching under school with group. And then Mission Impossible is we sell product in high price. Then the motivate, and then DB championship in semester 1, and last is then Olympic. Okay, maybe that's all from me. Sorry if I have some mistake. Saya wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.